What's up guys? So today is gym day with my super famous dad in the Philippines. Okay. So siya, tinan mo. Okay pa! O, tatandaan niyo ba yan?
Dapat nilalabas mo.
Alin? Oo nga. Ang aming cook para sa post-workout meal namin after.
Ang galing na to eh.
Okay, lots of vegetables, guys. You need that as your post-workout meal. Yeah. Alright, malunggay. Ay, oh my God. Okay. So, bye-bye. Alis na kami, ma. Hi. Say hi.
Hi, bye. Bye-bye.
What's up, guys? So, today is gym day with my super famous dad in the Philippines. Okay. So, siya, tinan mo. Okay pa! O, tatandaan nyo ba yan? Siya yung dancing dad na viral sa FB. Check it. So guys, so ngayon we will be doing a deadlifts and back and bicep workout. So mukha lang ganyan yan si Papa, but he's strong guys, he's strong, I swear. Oh, makikita yan sa workout namin. Time for warm-ups. So you can see guys, I train with my barefoot. Kasi wala, mas masarap kasi mag-workout na naka-barefoot. Kasi wala, mas masarap. Tsaka nagte-train din kasi ako ng MMA, so I need to train in the barefoot. And so guys, as you hindi kami nag-stretching sa bago mag-workout. Kasi animal don't stretch before workout, guys. Yeah, mas effective kapag nag-stretch ka after workout. Kasi yun, science is science. Para to sa Valentine's, guys, kasi nagmahal na saktan, nag-meets. Say go! I told you guys, he's very strong. What's up with that? Posture! And now, pull-ups tayo. So, nung una niyang pull-ups, ipapakita ko yung replay. Ayan. Okay, push up. Okay. Isa pa. So, yung una niya is talagang hindi hirap siya makakaisa guys. So, ngayon, titingnan natin kung nag-i-improve siya. Let's go! 1 2 3 4 It's 4 guys. It's 4. Muscle ups, baby. Muscle ups. Okay. My dad will also try that muscle up. Let's go. Explosive. Let's go. Boing. What's up guys? Time for a little talk with the challenge. Plank position. Ayan, so bibigyan lang ako sa inyo ng konting history namin. Kasi bonding moment namin ng training. So ito yung parang lagi namin ginagawa. Nung nag-i-start kami, dad ko, yung push up guys. Push up. Yan, push up. Hindi niya magawa ng 3 sunod-sunod, guys. Hirap na hirap talaga. Pero ngayon, try mo. Patry nyo ngayon push up. Sige, push up ka. Push up, guys. Ngayon, tingnan nyo, kayang-kaya niya na mag-push up. Mga pinakamarami niya nagagawa, mga 25. Okay, plank na ulit, plank. Mga 25 consecutive nagagawa niya na, guys. For 3 months training. Pero syempre, hindi na naman puro push up ginagawa namin. Diba? Nag-start kami calisthenics eh. Nain ko siya ng calisthenics. Kasi doon din ako nag-start sa calisthenics. Body weight. And, masabi ko ba ilang taon? Ilang taon? 57. Guys, 57 years old, guys. It's never too late para mag-workout. And busy, in fact, busy palagi sila ni Mama sa tindahan. Okay? Kasi yun ang business namin is tindahan. And yung pull-ups na kita nyo kanina, 1 pull-ups, hindi niya kaya. Pero ngayon nakakalima, 4, di ba? Nakakapat na siya. Saan ka ba? 57 years old, sino makakagawa naman? And this prank, medyo mahirap, di ba? Nanginginig na nga yung boses ko, guys. So ayun, guys. Tsaka ngayon, nararamdaman niya, dati may marami siya nararamdaman like mga sakit ng ulo, sakit ng kasukasuhan. Tingnan mo na idulot ng bonding moments namin ang workout. Diba? Wala. Pero ngayon guys, medyo masakit na kaya okay, back to training. Bicep pump. The bicep pump. The bicep pump. Look at that. Oh. And workout is done. So, tara na't umuwi para kumain ng post-workout meal. And nami-miss ko ng gulay, guys. Gulay ang ulam mamaya. Okay, let's check the ulam. What? Ano to? Ponte. Ito, yeah, there you go, buddy.
Yan ang matsalap.
There you go, buddy. Ang adobo. Ano, okoy. Siya magkano sa okoy, Ate Malo?
Sweet!
Siya, dalawa rin. Okoy. I just bought more ulam kasi yung tinapa, 4 na piraso. Saan aabot yun? Sa lalamunan ko lang, guys. So yeah, let's eat na. Alright, alright.
Welcome back. Thank you po.
Okay. Thank you, Lord, for this blessing.
Okay yung gata mo, Mama.
Yeah.
Okay yung gata.
Gata is good. Shout out sa cook namin. That's why we have this. Dahil sa cook namin. Cook.